In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indicators on TradingView. TradingView Indicators Tutorial. Let's start by opening a chart for the asset you want to analyze. On TradingView, use the symbol search at the top to type a ticker or name, then select the exact market you need. Make sure your chart is on the time frame you prefer. Adding indicators while you're on the correct time frame helps you see how they behave right away in the context you'll actually trade or study. Next, look for the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Click it to open the Indicators window. This is your toolbox for everything from popular built-in tools to more advanced options. Inside the window, you'll see a search bar. Type the name of the indicator you want, like Moving Average or RSI, and TradingView will filter the list for you. If you're exploring, you can browse categories to discover built-in indicators or switch to the Scripts section to see community-created tools. Scripts can be powerful, but always review their descriptions, popularity, and author reputation, so you understand what they do before adding them to your chart. When you found what you're looking for, click the indicator once. It will immediately appear on your chart using its default settings. Trend-following indicators, like moving averages, usually overlay the price, while oscillators, like RSI, open in a separate panel beneath the chart. You can add more than one indicator, and it's common to combine them to get a clearer read on momentum, trend, or volatility. To fine-tune an indicator, look to the top left area of your chart, where the indicator's name is listed. Next to it, click the small gear icon to open its settings. In the settings window, you can adjust inputs such as length or period, style like colors, line thickness, and plot visibility, and other parameters relevant to that indicator. For example, shortening a moving average will make it more responsive, while lengthening it can smooth noise. Adjust these to suit your strategy and the time frame you're analyzing. When you're happy with the changes, apply them to update the chart. Once you're finished customizing, close the settings window or the main indicators window. Your indicator will remain active on the chart with your chosen parameters. If at any point you want to hide or remove it, you can do so from the same area where its name appears. And that's it. Open your asset, click Indicators, search or browse, add it, customize it, and close the window. Practice a couple of combinations to see what gives you the clearest signals for your approach.